Well, I want to give you an idea what a 2-day storm looks like. Actually, this is a 2-day storm accumulating on top of many storms. So some of these piles are actually higher than I am, like this one. This is the entrance to our house. I'll give you an idea how much snow is here. This is all from our driveway that's been pushed up. And there's my car tucked away in a nice little space for it. Snow's higher than the arbor. So let me give you a walk up the deck. This is the front of the house. There's only so much shoveling I can do. It's actually now over my shoulders. Actually, it's over my head. Turn the corner, and hopefully you can see this with the shadows, but this is more than waist high at this point in time. This is my deck and porch, and here we go. Give you an idea how much snow is out here. I know you really can't tell, but my bird feeder is almost equal to the ground level. I've shoveled off some of that. And that's about it.